These people will say to him, Akhi, do you want to follow Abu Hanifa? Or do you want to follow the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? I am telling you the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said this, and you are telling me Abu Hanifa, A'udhu Billah. How can you do this? You don't love the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? So such people have not understood the true meaning of following Abu Hanifa. What does it mean to follow Imam Abu Hanifa? What does it mean to follow Imam Malik, Imam Shafi'i, Imam Ahmad? What does it mean? So if you are in a discussion with somebody like that, what do you say? You say to him, Ya Akhi, okay, I want to follow the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Tell me how to follow the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He will say, brother, this hadith is in Bukhari. This hadith is in Muslim. You say to him, brother, you are telling me to leave taqleed of Imam Abu Hanifa, and you are calling me to taqleed of Imam Bukhari. When you are telling me that this hadith is in Bukhari, this hadith is sahih, this is authentic. Who told you this hadith is authentic? Imam al-Bukhari. So you are not following the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam directly. You are following the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through Imam Bukhari. So what is the difference between following the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through Imam Bukhari and following the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam through Imam Abu Hanifa? Even you are not following the Prophet alayhi salatu directly. And the brother will say no. He might reply and say, no, Akhi. In actual fact, Imam Bukhari collected the chain of narration. So we can see that Imam Bukhari narrated from Al-Humaydi. Al-Humaydi narrated from Sufyan. Sufyan narrated from Muhammad bin Ibrahim al-Taymi. Muhammad bin Ibrahim al-Taymi narrated from Alqamah bin Waqas al-Laythi. Alqamah bin Waqas narrated from Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu. We can see the chain of narration. And we can see that every single narrator is authentic. And therefore we are following what the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in this hadith based on this authentic chain of narration. So we are not following Imam Bukhari, we are following the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and we know that all of these people in the chain are authentic. So then we would ask him, my brother, how do you know these individuals in this chain are authentic narrators? Who told you? Did you meet them? Did you sit with them? Did you observe them? Did you live in their time? He will say no. Because in the books of Asma al-Rijal, these narrators are reported as being authentic. The Imams of Asma al-Rijal, like Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal, like Imam Yahya bin Ma'in, like Imam Abu Hatim al-Razi, they said that Al-Humaydi is an authentic narrator. Sufyan is an authentic narrator. Muhammad bin Ibrahim is an authentic narrator, etc., etc. Well, that's why we say to him, my brother, you are doing taqleed of the Imams of Asma al-Rijal. You are trusting their opinion when they say this narrator is authentic, because you didn't meet that narrator. You weren't there at that time. So no matter how much you try to escape taqleed, it's inescapable. You try to run away from taqleed, no matter what you do, you will fall back into taqleed.